channel, you guys. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys this wig that I got from a company. So the company that I got this wig from is Alibele. I got the Mongolian Afro Kinky curly lace front wig in 14 inches. This is the wig after it's curled and everything. I wanted to come on here and show you guys me installing it. This texture is different from other textures I usually go for and a lot of people go for, so I wanted to come on here and try something different. So that's what I have. You know, I've been rocking the natural hair lately, so I figured to go for more of a natural Afro Kinky curl. So that's what we're doing today. So let's get started.
Just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Hey, tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city and I broke down crying.
So I'm gonna put my hair in a low ponytail because I don't know how to braid, and then I'm debating if I want to use the cap they gave me or use a new cap. One thing about this wig that I didn't like was that I bleached the knots and the hair was shedding a lot. I couldn't tell if it was from the frontal or the actual hair because it is kinky curly hair. I was expecting it to shed, but then when I looked at the frontal it was balding a little bit. So, but for the most part I think I could fix that. So we're just gonna see when I put the wig on. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I honestly don't think I want to use a stocking cap. I think I'm gonna just put it over my hair because I don't feel like gluing that down. So let's see. This works, yeah. I'm not gonna use a stocking cap. So I'm going to take the yellow Got To Be Glue gel and I'm going to put that on my hairline. I don't have the black one, so just going to have to use this one. I feel like the yellow Got To Be Glued is way stickier than the black one, but the black one, like, I don't know, it cooperates more. And I have a low hairline by my temples, so I usually put the gel right on top. And listen, if you take the wig off the right way, you won't go bald. Now I'm going to take my blow dryer. I'm going to put it on high but on cool. So
as good as the day I met you. I forgot just why I left you. It was insane. Say, play that Blink 182 song. That we beat to death into something okay. I know it breaks my
I feel like it never sticks the right way, so what I like to do is take a scarf and tie the edges around. I really wanted to dye this hair like blonde, put some like tones of like blonde and browns in it, but I honestly don't think the hair is going to like last that long, being that when I was washing the frontal, like hair was just coming out. Even like when I'm pulling it, like hair is just coming out, and I expect that because it's curly hair, but you don't want to do too much and then you got all these problems. So I would just leave this hair as it is. Also, the parting space is like, I feel like it's only 3 inches instead of 4, and that's only for the middle section. The sides are only like 2, so you can't really do like a specific part. It would also be cute if you just like flip it over and the sides are not sticking for nothing, so I'm going to do this method that Abby Nicole usually does. I'm gonna take the Got to Be Glued Free Spray and I'm going to spray and blow dry. So I think it's dry for the most part. Look how much hair just came out from parting this section back. I try to get a spray bottle and like loosen up these hairs because they're a bit crunchy, so I'm gonna be right back. Towards the roots and like it'll kind of be cute if I like cut it into a bang and like frame my face. This would be a cute style. What? I think I just put y'all on. They need to sponsor me. Okay, so let me show you what I was talking about when I meant that the sides only have 2-inch parting space. So that's all there is. You can't really part anywhere. That's all there is. But it would be a cute like flip up. We do like a half up, half down type of thing, like with a little bun or something. I don't know, it's cute though. Let's see. I'm gonna take that same powder that I attempted to use on that stocking cap and put it on the lace. Now I'm going to style some baby hairs. I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel. I'm like trying to refrain from plucking because I know that this hairline is gonna end up going bald, so I'm trying to utilize as much hair as possible. This spray bottle is not cooperating with me, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom, tame these hairs down with some water, and I'll be back to show you the final results.
Busy body, busy tonight.
End of this video. If you want to purchase this hair, all the specs will be in the bio down below. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and share this video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Joanna.